We are going to make this cosmetics product and render it. Also can use for 3D print. Very easy process. Let's start. First, delete the existing cube. Change the length to millimeter and unit scale to 0.001. Also, from viewport overlays, change it to 0.001 that make grid size similar to the unit scale. Now delete the camera and other stuff and add a cylinder and change the length to 20mm and depth to 81mm. Now go to edit mode and check the edge length to mesh edit mode overlays. Now select the top face and inset it by 5mm. Then extrude it 10mm. Again, inset the face to 7mm. Again, extrude it by 10. Then again, inset it 2mm. Make the inner wall extrude down by 12mm. Hit E and then press S for scale the edge. Follow the process. Keep the gap around 2 or 3mm from wall. Now bevel it around 9 to 10mm. Now select the corners and bevel it. If you want, you can use bevel modifier, but I prefer bevel them manually. Now the sprayer. Follow the process. For cap, follow the similar, inset, extrude, and scale. Make proper gaps between surface if you want to make a prototype. Bottle is done. Now, materials and label. I would like to design similar brands, different cosmetics products, by keeping brand consistency. Add a material and change the transmission value to 1, and add the roughness a little bit. Let's make the inner liquid. Simply copy the inner surface and change the foundation color. We will use basic material. Also input the materials to every parts. Change the liquid color. After that, make a black plastic material for the cap. Something like this. For a label, simply duplicate the top face and add a seam on the opposite side and unwrap. On the top of the cap, we can add logo. Now, the rendering. Add a backdrop and bevel the corner. Change the camera focal length 200 and uncheck the scene rolled out of the lights. You can follow my process. Something like this. You can render it. Let's make another variation. Please like and subscribe if you want more content like this. Thank you for watching. For making transparent background, first select the object, uncheck the camera from ray visibility. Select Heat Transparent option from .this menu. Just in case you want to render like this, you can follow this process.